Bitcoin rebounds above $20,000, but threats are everywhere. So the large cryptocurrency by market value is down 11% in the last 14 days. It's slowly recovering after diving to around 38.000 on Monday. Dollar Bitcoin is currently trading at 41.000 according to flash data site CoinGecko. Along with Bitcoin sponge, the cryptocurrency market is up 32% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum or ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, is currently trading at $3,000 after drop to $2,000 on Monday. But Bitcoin might continue to struggle to remain over $20,000 as the US Dollar Currency Index or DXY Bitcoin hit a 52-week high today of 101.02. This inverse trend between the dollar and Bitcoin has been consistent over the last 10 years. Analysts at cryptocurrency research firm Delphi Digital wrote in an April 14 report. Bitcoin pledges tend to trend in the opposite direction of the DXY momentum. Delphi Digital wrote this meant that when the US dollar gains momentum, Bitcoin tends to underperform and price passes. In addition to this, a number of other factors are likely contributing to Bitcoin recent slump in financial markets and especially crypto. It is often very hard to point to one very specific thing for a sell off. It's generally a confluence of circumstances. To Dan Levy, senior research analyst at cryptocurrency market intelligence firm Michelle told Fortune. But Dan Levy thinks that tax day in the US was a main driver in the recent market slide, saying Americans were redeeming their cryptocurrency to pay their tax before the April 18 deadline. We had BTC and Ethereum rebound literally like after the stock market closed on Monday. Paul PM EST, he said it's not clear whether that was algorithm or discussion traders, but overall tech sharing seemed to be the underlying reason. At least this month, Bitcoin began to tip along with the stock market. This comes as the US Federal Reserve Research Unit on April 6 from in March 15-16 policy meeting which revealed the central bank plans to reduce its balance sheet and raise interest rates. Following this announcement, tech stocks and liquid assets like cryptocurrency nosedive. Cryptocurrency, which stock was back on the day, Lucas Automoro, head of research at Into the Block of crypto analysis company, wrote in his April 8 newsletter. This week, we observed this in price as market reacted negative to the news of likely 50 basis point in interest rate increase and